What I'm about to share with you, it might frustrate you, it might excite you, or it might even worry you a little, but it will definitely open your eyes. And that is this: IT shop front desk, like we know it for today, will become obsolete within the next 5 years. Think about this for a second. A customer calls your IT repair shop, the phone keeps ringing, but no one picks up. Maybe your staffs are already busy with other clients. Maybe they are out on a service. The result: the customer hangs up, goes to another shop, and you just lost a business. Over time, this will slowly damage your reputation and eat away all your sales. Now imagine the opposite. Every single call is answered instantly. Customer question, repair request, and pickup schedule. All handled without any delay. Your team doesn't get overwhelmed with the endless call. Instead, focus on the real work. Fixing device. Serving customer face to face. This is exactly what an AI receptionist is built to do. Not to replace your people, but to empower them by handling their repetitive calls and tasks that drain most of their valuable time. So in this video, I will break it down into three parts. The first one will be how this AI receptionist will look like for your IT shop. Second will be how to build one step by step. And the final, the real cost and why this might be the smartest investment in your repair business in 2025. Let's dive in.
Thank you for calling Speedo IT Solutions. This is Alex. How may I help you with, please?
Hey Alex, I am having problem with my printer, like it is leaking ink severely and I don't know what to do. Can you guys solve this type of problem?
Sorry, that can happen due to various reasons, but don't worry, we can help you with that. Can I know what type of printer is this and what is its model and brand name?
Okay, the printer is from Canon and the model number is G30.
Perfect. Is this the best number to reach you at?
No, my mobile number is 555 123 4567.
Uh-huh. All right, I got that. I'll add +1 before your number. Can you give me your full name, please?
Okay, my name is John Doe.
Thank you. Would you like to drop it off at our shop or schedule a technician visit?
Okay, what is the charge of someone if someone pick it up from my address?
We provide home service with a $45 travel fee. Can I have your address, please?
Okay, no, I think I will come there. So give me your shop address.
Perfect. Our shop is at 1247 Tech Boulevard. What time works best for you to drop it off?
Tomorrow at 11.
Great. We'll be ready for you at 1247 Tech Boulevard tomorrow at 11. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
No problem. Have a good day.
Okay, now this is just one demo of the agent, how it is working. Let's see on the back end how the flow is going on. So I have created a Figma diagram of the workflow working on the back end. So this is the complete flow of the agent, like it is working, how it is working on the back end. So if someone calls, if some potential client or someone calls to the shop, like someone will pick up. In this case, the agent will pick up the call. Then the AI will answer the call, like you have seen. I have shown you earlier. After picking up the call, the AI will classify what type of call is it. So the classification process I have divided into 4 steps. So the first one is general question and answer. If some client comes and, hey, I want to buy this and that. What is the price? Or I am having some problem with my device. What is the price of the repairing charge? And just an estimate idea they want to take from the shop sometimes. So this is general question and answer. So AI agent will answer the question according to the given database. It will answer, hey, this is the price and that. This is the repair charge we cost, and yeah, I think you have had a problem with this type of thing. Okay, so after answering the question, AI, if AI gets the chance of taking the lead data, if the on the other end, if the potential client want to give their mobile number or name, AI will take it and it will update on the CRM as the general question and answer as a lead. So we can use that data, or the shop can use that data for other work, like warming up leads later on. Okay, the next one is new service request. This is the main, this workflow is the main part. So when a potential client call, hey, I am having this problem, can you guys repair that? Something like that. So or yeah, or they could be confused they need service or not. The AI agent will clarify that yes, you could need service if you think the problem is severe. So this kind of thing. The AI will take necessary data. So the data will be like what is the device type, the device brand, and the model number. It will clarify the repair shop workers. Oh, this is the brand, here is the model. Hey, we have worked this type of thing. We have solved this type of problem earlier, so we can work with that. It will help them to understand the problem more clarifyingly, because they have worked this type of thing. Okay, they have experience in this kind of thing, right? Okay, then the problem. What is the problem? Then pick up and drop off. if I have added two type of service. If someone want to drop off their item to the shop, or if someone want to go some workers on their end, like if the setup is desktop, so it is fixed setup, so someone has to go there to solve the problem. Or it could be network issue, like my Wi-Fi is not working. It could be any type of issue that is indoor and that cannot be pick up and drop in on the shop. So I have added two type of services. One is pick up and drop off. So another is drop off time. If the client want to drop their item to the shop, then AI will take what time do you want to drop. This will give an idea to the shop workers. Okay, the client is coming in this time. We have to be ready, or something like the client is not finding the address. So you can call on that time. Hey, the time that you told us that you will come in this time. Have you reached the shop yet? So the client will say, "Oh, yes, I am coming, but I think I have messed up the address. Can you clarify the address little bit clearly?" So this type of thing. Okay. Then after getting all necessary requirements from the client, after hanging up the call, the AI will send a email and SMS alert, email or SMS alert, like to the workers or to the owner, to the chief advisor of the shop. Hey, we have got a potential lead. Then it will update the CRM. The CRM, in this case, I have added Airtable as a CRM. It could be Google data sheet, it could be Excel sheet, any type of sheet you want as a CRM to list up your potential clients and other thing. So another classification is spam. If a caller had just call hello and then hangs up, then it will be marked as spam. So it also be added on the CRM. So another call is marketing call. If someone want to sell something to the shop, hey, we have a new virus protection system. We have a new virus protection software. Are you willing to take it? It will collect all necessary data from the marketing agent. Hey, we could be interested. My boss is busy. I can take it. So give me all necessary information. I need to also update in the CRM. Okay, this is the complete workflow. It could be much advanced. I need data to create that. So if someone wants to apply this type of thing on their shop, or want to consult with me, or to consult with any other expert, they can talk to me. They can have a live call with me. Okay, now let me give you step-by-step idea how I create the agent. So this is a system prompt, and the agent I have created on is Retail AI. And this is system prompt, and on this I created the system prompt with Claude. And as I have given the previous video, I have shown how I create the prompt step by step, the same process. So this is the prompt. So this is also the multi-step prompting I called. So yeah, this is the prompt, and it could be much more clarifying. So for that I need data. So the knowledge base I have added in the system from inbuilt. I do not add external knowledge base because this messed up with the latency. It makes the call much longer. Okay, I have added a background noise, coffee shop background noise, to make the voice here more natural. Okay, then call setting. This is all default. I've not I've I do not mess up with this type of. Okay, this is call setting. Okay, this is post call analysis. So here I have here, like after hanging up the call, retail defaultly give the whole script of the call, like how the call goes, or the whole script. So in the post call analysis, we can add custom variable to extract particular data from the transcript. It make it more robust. It make it more autonomous. For after later on, we can integrate with any other automation to make it more easier to create any type of automation. And yeah, it is just easy for us to extract data like that. So here is the caller name, callback number, the which number from the agent, from the which number the client give us to. Hey, this is the number. You can call back with this number. Then the caller type. Then it is spam or not. It will detect that. I've created just by pressing. If you press add, you can text what type of variable, what type of function you want to create. So it is text function. It is selector function. Like what do the agents select, A, B, or C? Then there's boolean. It is true or false. Is this question is true or false, like this. Then there is number. It will grab it will grab a number from the transcript according to the description command. Like here you will put the clarifying command, like extract the caller name only. If they do not provide, put NA. So it will react like that. I have added an emergency type service in the in the system prompt, like if someone need emergency service, like I need to solve this problem right now because I have client on the backend, and they have given me the project and I have deadline, so I need my system to, so I need my system running very quickly. So this is a very urgent thing, so it will detect it is very urgent or not, and if it is very urgent, I can create another agent or another automation that can, if the recession is gotten urgent client, then it will immediately notify the shop owner, the chief advisor, via Telegram or WhatsApp or Messenger. It is professional with Slack and WhatsApp, so it will notify the chief advisor, hey, we have a very urgent client, I think you need to solve their problem right now. They will give the number, hey, this is the number of the client, so give a call. So the chief advisor will give a call, hey, my reception is said you need a very urgent solution, so what is the problem? So this is the concept for me now. So the two type of service get pick up or drop off. Then the caller address, what is the address of the caller? If the caller pick up, hey, it will be very much helpful for me if someone comes in my address and pick up my device, so it will grab the caller address. The agent will grab the caller address. Then urgency level, it will detect the urgency level. Hey, I think my problem should be solved little earlier because I have client or I have project that I have to work on. So it will detect the urgent level. So what is the urgent level? To 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1 is very urgent and 4 is not urgent at all. So this is the plan, like here. By understanding the user emotion condition, how they are reacting with the problem, we will determine urgency levels. For 1 to 4 will be very urgent, ASAP, as soon as possible, and 4 will not be urgent at all. So this is my concept of creating the receptionist agent. So that's all. Here I have added a custom message. Thank you. Um, I think you are not seeing. Okay. Here I've added a custom message. Thank you. Thank you for calling Speed IT Solution. This is Alex. How may I help you with, please? So I have also added a number via Twilio SIP trunking. So you can call the agent via this number. I will put it down below here somewhere or in the description in the comment. You can call the agent and test the agent is working or not. I don't have any US number, so I cannot check the number is working or not properly. Sorry for that. I will definitely buy a US number. So next, what's the step? Next, I have created an automation in make.com. So so the automation is simple. It can be more complex, but it's just a concept for me. So I do not make any hassle with that. Just do not waste my time because I do not know the exact backend of a IT shop. If I know that, then I can create a robust automation from that. Okay. Then first with the webhook. So the webhook will catch the data from the retail AI. So in retail, the webhook is here. Let me give you the idea. Okay, here's the webhook. So retail will send when the call hang up, retail will send the data via this webhook to make.com. Make.com will grab the data. Then it will go through a filter. Filter is call analysis. So the call analysis is the filter, like we have create. So this is the call analysis structure. After hanging up the call, retail send three type of data. First one is the call started and the call ended and the call analyzed. So this is the call analysis data I am getting from retail. So I have give a filter, only grab call analysis data, do not grab the unnecessary data. The call started or call ended, I need this exact structure, this exact data. So I need that exact data. So it is going through a router, and router I have added two demo, like I will make it more advanced. So I do not complete it yet. Okay, then the router is going through Airtable database. So in this Airtable database, there I have added some columns. Let me show you that. So this is the data after training, after trial and error. This all data it grab. So here's some general question. So it is not the general question, like I was just testing my microphone. So while testing, it grab those thing and put it here. It will not put it like that. This is just a trial and error part. It will filter out later on. Okay. So the last call I have taken with you guys. So this is this John Doe and new service request. It was new service request and the number was this. It was a printer drop off request. Then I have told it tomorrow at 11. It has put it like that. And the problem, I have told the problem, printer leaking ink severely. then it is very urgent. No, it is not very urgent. No callback needed. Caller address, I don't give address because I will go to their address. So the urgency level, it is given 3 because the printer leaking severely. So according to that, it is given the urgent level 3. So there is the call record. You can hear, if you press here, a file will be downloaded. Yeah, and you can hear this recording of the whole conversation with your client. So this is the whole structure, whole cumulative cost breakdown. I will describe it, explain it in the next video. So that's all for now. Thank you so much watching till the end. And my name is Shafin, signing off.